These miniature videos are going crazy viral on social media right now. This Instagram page has gained 241,000 followers and has hit 123 million views, 5.4 million views on their videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos exactly like this. And the crazy part is, I made this entire video in just 5 minutes. First, open ChatGPT, then paste this master prompt right here. And don't worry, you'll find the exact prompt in the description of this video. Now hit run, wait a few seconds, and then type list right here and run it again. After that, ChatGPT will generate a list of the top 10 items. You can pick whichever one you want. For example, I'm going to choose number 7. Now, ChatGPT will generate both the image prompt and the motion prompt for item number 7. So first, copy the image prompt, then open Flow. Select the image option, choose Nano Banana Pro, set your aspect ratio, paste the prompt, and hit run. Flow will generate 2 images for you. I'm going to download the second one, and honestly, look at this image. The quality is insanely good. Now it's time to turn it into a video. So head back to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt from here, then go back to Flow again. This time, select the video option, upload your image, paste the same prompt here, and hit run. Now just wait a little, and your video will be ready. Check this out. So now, once again, head back to ChatGPT, and you can create as many videos as you want. For example, this time, I'm going to type the name of a fruit. Let's say mango. And look at that. ChatGPT instantly generated both the image prompt and the motion prompt for it. It even gives you captions and sound effect suggestions as well, which honestly makes the whole process way easier. Now, just follow the exact same steps again. Go over to Flow, generate the image first, then use Flow again to turn that image into a video. And yeah, here's the final result. Check this out. So yeah, using the exact same method, I created 4 or 5 more videos as well. Check these out. And by the way, you'll find the master prompt in the description below. Make sure to grab it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI niche video. All right, see you in the next one.